Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Higgsfield AI's UGC builder step by step. So if you have ever wanted to create realistic user-generated content videos without a camera or crew, this tool is for you. It is fast, fun, and designed to help creators and brands make viral style content in minutes. So in order to get started with it, you can just click on the link that is given in the description. It is going to redirect you here on higgsfield.ai. Over here, you need to create your account here. Now, if you use that link, you will get it for free for 1 week. Now, once you are here, you need to basically create your account. Then click on the option of UGC here in the top. This will land you here on this page where you will see a bunch of different templates like car talk, mirror selfie, handheld, and more. So you can choose any one of these, basically that one that matches your video style. Um, for me, let's say I want to use this particular template. So you can select any one of these. I'm going to be selecting atomic one. After selecting the template, it is going to give you the generate option. So click on the option of generate. Now over here, click on the option of upload image, or you can also click on the option of generate it. So here you can type the prompt, and after that you can click on the option of generate. It is going to basically create an AI generated character for you. For now, I have my image ready, so I'm going to be clicking here on upload. After that, after selecting my photograph, it should look something like this. Over here, now is the time to give your character a dialogue. So this is the section where you can type something like this that I have written over here. After that, you can scroll down a bit, and you can select any one of these, but I would recommend you do not touch it because this is the default setting. So now if you click here on the generate option, it is going to show you here in the right hand section. You will be able to pick the model voice style. You can choose the options like soft, playful, harsh, and even whispering. Then you can select the language and the accent like English with an American and British accent. You can also select the background sounds like music and ambient noise to match the vibe of the video. Once you are done with it, you can also choose between the version 3 high quality or version 3 fast. High quality looks more realistic but uses more credits. Fast is cheaper and quicker but with slightly lower details. Now here when you click on the option of generate, it is going to take some time, and once it is done, you can basically just take a look at the preview and you can download it and share it directly to your social media platform. If you are just experimenting, the basic plan is okay, but for videos that you want to use, it is going to take a lot of credit of yours. So if you want to make UGC videos regularly, the creator plan would be great. So you can also top up the credits as needed using one of their credit packs as well, which starts with as low as $5. And that's it. Now you know how you can create complete UGC style video using Higgsfield AI. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.